Hello everyone, we are now in San Antonio and I will start to do my makeup, which is on bed. It's not very convenient, but it's okay. This is what I get with me. Louis Vuitton, of course, my lovely dainty one. I love it, and I wrap it with Louis Vuitton Twilly and all my stuff here. Surprisingly that I didn't grab lots of things with me this time because we're just staying 2 days. And this Clé de Peau palette, I love it. And I bought this Chanel Fluid Illuminateur. I want to try it. I had the Pearly Glow. My mirror, of course, Simple Human. And this is the primer, eyeshadow primer from Tom Ford. I tried too many ones. NARS is good. This is the powder, and the other one, the cream, was very handy. This is your pouch holder. It's very cute. You can close it like that and put the stuff inside. And then Chloe purse in black. It will match all my stuff.